Sean Gagnon from the Abs Company. I'm here with Mike again. We're going to show you a great new workout that you can do on the all-new Abs Bench. You ready, Mike?
I'm ready.
What's cool about the Abs Bench is that the lower body movement and the upper body movement are independent. So we can do a double crunch together, or we can do just the lower or just the top. So we're going to show you some cool stuff you can do. Mike, we're going to go ahead and start with just the lower crunch. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. So leave the head down and just bring in the lower body. Good. So you can now see he's focused on his lower abs, getting a nice movement. Mike has about 10 pounds down at the bottom here to give him some extra resistance, but you go with what's comfortable for you. Once he's gotten to that part of the workout, now we'll have him relax his lower body and just work the upper body on a crunch. Again, a very independent movement. Once again, Mike has some extra resistance down here, but you do what's comfortable for you. How's that feel?
Great. On the upper abs, good time.
Good. Now for our more advanced users, what we can do is that double crunch. So Mike, go ahead and show us, bring them both together. So as you can see, he brings the head toward the knees on each repetition. Getting a great double crunch effect.
So that's lower. Yes, sir.
Now also for some great variety, what we can do is I'll have Mike go ahead and pull this in. He's going to hold the lower body here, so his abs are under tension, and now he's just going to do the upper.
Oh, that's nice.
Now we're under constant tension from both sides, working the entire core.
That's great.
And to finish it off, we'll do just the opposite. Mike, go ahead and hold the top in, and now just do the lower body crunch. So again, under total tension, very effective workout, very effective way to train the abs. How'd it feel, Mike?
Fantastic, especially the lowers.
Cool. You can see he's in good shape, he's really feeling that, but it's very adjustable for all fitness levels. Again, check out the website,